Hi guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm about to make some roasted tilapia fish. So first, I'm washing my fish with lemon. I'm using lemon because I want to take out that smell. So my fish is properly washed and cut. I'm cutting my fish because I want my ingredients to go in. I'm adding in some Maggi seasoning. I'm adding in lemon pepper, white pepper, garlic powder, my country onions, some paprika. That's paprika with a bit of lemon pepper. Then I also have my soya spice. The last one I added was my soya spice. So I'm just going to mix everything together. Guys, always make sure to add the dry ingredients. I did not have some curry powder, so that's why there's no curry powder in there. So after putting my dry ingredients, I'm just going to use the fresh ingredients as well. I have my green pepper, some red pepper, onions. I have my Djansang. I also have some wedar whole seed in there. Then I'm just going to blend everything together and I'm mixing it into the fish right now. I do not want to use only the powdered seasoning because I don't want the fish dry. That's why I'm adding in all the fresh ingredients because I want my fish to be juicy. So now that it's properly mixed, I'm just adding in some oil. Always make sure to add some oil, guys. So this is my fish ready to go into the oven. First of all, after marinating my fish, I let it sit for about 3 hours. After 3 hours, knowing that it's properly marinated, then I went ahead to put it in the oven. So now look at how juicy my fish is looking. So I have some plantain on the side to eat with my fish. So guys, this is the end result. My fish tastes so yummy. And if you watch up to this point, guys, I say a very big thank you. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be the first to get a notification. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.